We're making a healthier version of Olive Garden's creamy Italian dressing with fresh, clean ingredients. It's quickly tossed with light olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, and simple spices without any food coloring or preservatives. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you like healthier recipes with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this easy salad dressing, we're going to start with light olive oil as our base, but you could also use extra virgin olive oil or even avocado oil. So I have a 1/3 cup of oil in my jar, and then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link in the video description below, and that will take you to my website with the recipe with the full details. And to bring in the creaminess, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of mayo, and this is my homemade mayo, and I've included a link in the video description to the recipe. And for extra Italian flavor, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of some Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. You could also use Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a couple dashes of pepper. And then we're going to screw on our lid and give it a good shake. And just like that, we have this gorgeous creamy Italian salad dressing. And one of the best ways to sample it is by dipping in a little piece of bread. That is delicious. That is creamy and tangy and tastes just like the Olive Garden recipe. And I love knowing that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me to make this very simple dressing. And I've included a link in the video description below to the full recipe and details, and it's on my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.